car that you're driving right now came from CarMax, Drive Time, or a dealership that looks like this, or this. Whether you know it or not, you need my help. But don't worry, as usual, I got you. Come on. Now everybody knows you purchase cars from dealerships like this simply because you can't go to a brand name dealership and qualify for a vehicle. Usually because you have bad credit. Now what most people don't know about dealerships like this is that they typically prey on people with bad credit and assign extremely high interest rates to these accounts. Furthermore, what you don't understand about these interest rates is exactly what it means to your payment and the overall amount of money that you spend on these cars. You see, with good credit, you can purchase a $30,000 car and pay somewhere around $37,000 by the time you're done making the payments after 5 years. But with bad credit and interest rates somewhere between 19 and 29% at the end of 5 years, on a $30,000 car, you can end up paying almost double what that car cost you initially. Now, this is where you having good preparation and me creating dispute beats comes in. Now, if I can implore you to do anything, it's to stop waiting until you need your good credit to start trying to repair it. Because credit repair can take anywhere between 6 to 12 months. If you wait until you absolutely need good credit to start repairing it, you'll do some pretty desperate things, like signing up for credit repair with people like this. Instead, why don't you start preemptively preparing yourself? Hook up with Dispute Beast by commenting Beast down below, and I'll go ahead and send you the link to all the information. Dispute Beast will help you repair your credit on your terms, creating all the letters for you and helping you dispute with all of the necessary entities, all of the big 3 credit bureaus, third-party credit reporting agencies, and even directly with the creditors and collectors themselves. And as long as you have Beast Credit Monitoring, Dispute Beast will never charge you a dime for a single letter. If you're ready to prepare yourself for that next big purchase and get started now, go ahead and comment Beast down below.